received this, this petition?
No. 2 weeks ago already I sent this to you. So where is Mr. Kutsi then?
Mr. Kutsi is Nemichi.
Oh,
yes.
That's not important.
I'm the Chief Operations Officer. I'm responsible for all the operations in Parliament.
But anyways,
yeah, no, it's okay.
Just
Just explain to me, because when I read the letter, you're complaining that employees are unable to register as candidates, correct?
Yes.
Are you complaining about the date that the ICC put? Not that. So what are you complaining about?
The issue is that the Constitution says that every South African citizen has the right to stand for public office.
Yes.
If elected to hold that office.
Yes.
So as far as I know, that's the Constitution says, right? The Constitution is supreme.
Yes.
Right? But here in Parliament, we have a workplace policy that says that employees of Parliament can't stand for elections. Did you know about that?
It says if you're a candidate of a political party, you cannot be a staff member.
Why not?
Because as staff members, we service parties. Let's say you belong to the ANC, to the DA, to the PAC, to whatever. So as a staff member, I must service all of you. If you want an office, if you want a pen and paper. Now, if I then become a DA candidate, how am I going to serve you when you are ANC?